Hello, namaste, vanakkam, namaskara. How are you all doing? आप कैसे हो? நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? Yes, this is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. Thanks for all your support from the viewers and the subscribers. Thank you so much. Today this video is regarding jiomart offers that are available right now. 1+1 offer. That is, if you want to purchase any product, you will have one more extra product given. That is, buy one, get one free. So this is the product I have purchased on jiomart. Coffee. It's an instant blend. Buy one, get one offer. It's a pack of 2, 50 grams each. It costed me 85 rupees. Most of us want to have a sip of coffee in the mornings, right? But you want a perfect aroma and different flavors to refresh your minds and hearts and start a day, right? So you can have it just by having 1 spoon of sugar and half teaspoon of coffee with hot milk going into it. See, this is the color that I've got. If you want a stronger brew, you can go for adding some more coffee into it. If any of you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe please. That will encourage me to keep me going. Thank you so much for subscribing to Flying Skies One. Thank you. Go to jiomart app. I'll be showing you how you can order and have 1+1 offers, and given the search tab as buy one get one, and if the cart value is 200 rupees, you will be getting cashback of 10% every day. Use cards and wallets to get more cashback while you check out, and free delivery is available. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Flying Skies One. If you have got any doubts, ask me in the comment section. And please, subscribe. jiomart, buy one get one free. Keep smiling.